Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by validating the essentials. Confirm the exact endpoint and HTTP method, because a wrong path returns 401 immediately. Once done, clear your cache and cookies and restart the client so stale tokens are removed. Make sure your device clock is accurate. Token expiry and TLS rely on time. Then check whether you have an authorization header being sent. If that header is missing, the server cannot authenticate you, so add or restore the correct header now. You should now inspect the request and response closely with DevTools or curl. Look at authorization and www authenticate headers to learn why the server rejected you. Once you capture the token, decode its expiry and claims so you know why it failed. If the token is expired, trigger the refresh flow or request a new token from the auth endpoint. Also compare server and client clocks to avoid clock skew issues, because even valid tokens will fail if times diverge significantly. You finish by applying the corrected authorization header or new token and retrying the request until you receive a 200 OK. Once done, review server logs and auth audit trails for the specific rejection message, because logs reveal misconfigured scopes, invalid audiences, or malformed tokens. If problems persist, revoke and reissue client credentials, then reauthorize the client. One key troubleshooting tip: if you still get 401, reproduce the failing request with curl and compare header size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.